Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and tasty masala peanuts, or you can call it sing bhujia. So for that we will need salt, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala, and half teaspoon of dry mango powder. And then we'll need pinch of hing, 2 pinch of baking soda, a little bit of oil. I'm using 1 tablespoon. You can use half tablespoon or completely skip, but this will give really nice taste to your peanuts and crunchiness to your peanuts. So I'm using it about 1 tablespoon. Then here I have 1 cup of peanuts, 1/3 cup of chickpea flour, and water. So here I have 1 cup of peanuts. Into that I'm going to add water, and we are not soaking the peanuts, we are just coating the peanut with water. So now I'm going to drain the water out right away. So here I have drained out the water from peanuts. So now I'm going to put that on the side and I'm going to take a large bowl. Into this I'll add my chickpea flour or besan, pinch of asafetida or hing, garam masala, red chili powder, coriander powder, and mango powder, salt to taste, and I will mix all this together. Once it's mixed, I'm going to add baking soda and mix it well again. So our flour mixture is ready, and here I have chaat masala, which I am not going to add into this flour mixture. We'll use this later in this recipe. So into this flour mixture we will add our peanuts. And now I'm going to mix this flour and peanuts together, and my aim is to coat each peanut with flour, and at the end there should not be any dry flour left on the plate or bowl. So if you need more water, you can add a little water at a time and keep mixing it. So as you can see, I'm going to sprinkle a little water here, and I'm not adding too much water, just a little bit, sprinkling here and there and mixing it again. So repeat this process until you see no flour left on the bottom. So as you can see, my peanuts are ready, fully coated with this chickpea flour mixture, and now I'm going to add the oil on top and will gently mix it again. Adding this oil will give really nice flavor to your peanuts as well as nice crunch. We are not deep frying, but we are just making in microwave, so the little oil will really help enhance the flavor. And after mixing this, my peanuts are ready to go into the microwave. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take microwave safe dish and lay all the peanuts on the plate, and then we'll microwave it for 2 minutes. So as you can see, I have laid the peanuts on the plate, and now I'm going to microwave this for 2 minutes, and this is how it looks after 2 minutes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a mix before I continue cooking it. And as you can see, my peanuts are sticking to bottom, which is completely normal, and I can easily remove it with this help of the spoon, so it's not a big deal. And if you find any peanuts that are sticking together, you can simply use your hands to separate them. Now this masala peanuts can take somewhere between 4 to 6 minutes to cook. My microwave takes 4 minutes, so what I do is I cook them for 2 minutes, give it a stir, and cook it for another 2 minutes. That's how I like it, because that way I don't burn my peanuts in the microwave. So like I said, it can take somewhere between 4 to 6 minutes. So if you're cooking this first time, you want to do the same exact thing. You can start off with 2 or 3 minutes, give it a stir, and continue cooking it until it's ready. And now I'm going to cook this for another 2 minutes. So here is my peanuts are ready, and I know it's ready because it takes 4 minutes. So it's ready, but if you don't know your peanuts are ready or not, let it cool down completely, and when after it cool down you can taste it. If it's feel a little soggy or soft, you can cook it for another minute or so. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sprinkle a chaat masala over this peanuts and mix it again. This is last mix, and here is my peanuts are ready to enjoy. And you can also store this masala peanuts or sing puja into the airtight container for a later snacking. And that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, see you in next video.